Hi, I'm Sharon Davis. If your credit score isn't the envy of all lenders, we can fix that. Let's chat. If you're interested in securing a mortgage but have bruised credit, it is imperative that we talk first and create a strategy to improve your score before we make that application. Often I recommend to clients that they have at least 2 trade lines, which could be credit card or a loan or a line of credit, for a minimum of 2 years with a minimum of $2,500 limit per trade. So that's 2 lines, 2 years, $2,500 limit. With credit cards, you can process some consistent automatic bill payments, such as a Netflix or a phone bill. This will automatically show that you're using your cards every month and then making sure that they're being paid off. You can even set up a direct payment on that credit card from your bank account. This repetitive good behavior can have a dramatic effect on your score in the short term. Also, when it comes to credit cards, you never want to exceed more than 70% of the available limit. So if you have a credit card that has a limit of $5,000, ideally, you never want to charge more than $3,500 on that limit. Regardless of your circumstances, we can work on a plan together to improve your credit score. Let's chat.